Lovelies, welcome back to the channel. And how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. If so, thanks be to God. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel, and on my channel I make hair videos, cooking videos, and lifestyle vlogs. It's so good to have you here. So today I want to do a very simple natural hairstyle. If you don't know, I transitioned from relaxed hair to natural hair to test the waters, okay? And my hair has been thriving. So for this hairstyle, it's going to be very simple and very beginner friendly also. If you have any question while watching this video, feel free to just drop it in the comment section, and trust me to always respond to the comments, okay? So this hairstyle, like I said, it's very easy. You need your gel, you need your rattle comb, and you need your beautiful hands to do this simple cornrows, okay? So watch, and like I said, if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. One thing I like about simple natural hairstyle like this is that it is so easy to make, okay? Once you start with the cornrows, apply your gel to slick the sides and make it look neat. It is very easy to make. You don't need to be perfect in cornrows to make this simple and easy natural hairstyle. And even if your hair is short like my own, this natural hairstyle will suit you, trust me. want to know how to make cornrows, okay, just look at how my hands are going. You use your second finger to pick it, crisscross it. I have a video where I taught how to do your own cornrows by yourself. If you want to watch the video, go down to my channel and you'll see the video on how to cornrow your hair by yourself. That video is well detailed, okay? Anyone can learn as long as you're willing to learn, and you can practice on mannequin head. Trust me, you will know how to cornrow your hair by yourself, especially for easy cornrows and easy hairstyle like this. You don't need anyone to do it for you. You can just do it by yourself. It's easy once you start practicing. Trust me, you come back to say, Rachel, it's quite easy because I practice. It is easy to make once you put your mind to it. One thing I like about this hairstyle is that it doesn't need too much gel at all. And I'm using braiding gel, the shine and jam gel. It helps slick the hair quite fast and not too much work. The next thing I'll do is just to bring the cornrows and add it to the ponytail. Then I will hold all of them together. If your hair is not long to up to the place where you can add it to the ponytail, just add little extension. Natural hair extension will be fine for this. The Afro kinky extension will be nice for it. Now you can leave it like that if your hair is long, but my natural hair is still short and I want it to have the full look. So to get the full look, you need an afro ponytail like this one, okay? It's going to give it that full look that I am aiming for. The afro ponytail that I added to the hair, take it from, let's say, a 6 to a 10 or a 6 to 8. I want to know how you rate it in the comment section. How will you rate the afro ponytail? I want to know. Please don't go below 8. Oh, don't go below 8. If you've not subscribed to the channel, now is the right time to do it. If not, if I post another video, you will not see it. So subscribe so that you will not miss any of my uploads. And like this video, please. I want to see 50 likes at least on this video. I want to see 50 likes. Let's see if we can hit the target. I want to see it. And give this video a thumbs up if you like this hairstyle and you want to see more of it. Don't forget to share with your friends. Also, I'll be so grateful. I'll see you guys in another video. For now, take care and bye bye.